I'm Amber, the Developer Relations Engineer at gdotv, and I just want to take a moment to tell you about our product. So, gdotv is a tool in IDE developed to help you manage and visualize your graph data. No matter what form your graph takes or where it's stored, you'll be able to explore it with gdotv. Founded in Scotland, gdotv has been developed by a small team to promote graphs and facilitate every graph use case imaginable. gdotv loves graphs of all types, shapes, and sizes, from LPG to RDF, and from the smallest locally hosted personal graphs to widely distributed massive data with billions of entries. Everything starts with the query editor, which has been developed for versatility. Whether you use Gremlin, Cypher, Sparkle, or your query language of choice, whatever language you use, gdotv offers features like real-time syntax highlighting and validation, and schema-aware autocomplete suggestions, as well as built-in documentation for your query language. There are also some query language specific features, such as Sparkle guardrails, which help you detect ontology clashes, or the first ever Gremlin debugger. We also support brand new offerings and languages like GQL and Google Cloud Spanner Graph and BigQuery Graph. Your queries can be saved as reports with customizable parameters, which can be stored and organized and run later. Whenever you run a query, results appear in a fully interactive graph visualization view that you can customize how you like. This gives great insight into the relationships and knowledge held within your graph, whether you're modeling brick and mortar transport links or abstract things like the semantic web. With appropriate permissions, you can even edit the graph directly from this visualization view. And if you use the data model view, you can get a bird's eye view on the structure of your graph. If you need traditional tabular data, you can also view your results in more typical table fashion, or you can export your results to JSON formats. If you just want a quick glance at your data without writing burdensome queries, you can also use gdotv's no-code data explorer mode to visualize all your relationships at a glance. Narrow down your search by applying filters. This approach is great for demonstrating the power of your knowledge graph to those with maybe no previous graph experience. gdotv is compatible with a huge range of vendors, including many of the biggest names in the industry, as well as a whole host of smaller providers as well. You can find details on your specific database on our webpage, along with tutorial videos to help you get started with your database in seconds. And it really does just take seconds.